Hello lovelies, this is the cable chain stitch. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get it. I really recommend you use a straight line or you'll get a wonky donkey one like the one above. Bring your needle up through your fabric. Hold your needle in one hand and then with your other hand take the thread that's just come out of the fabric, quite close to the fabric. Take that thread over the top of your needle and underneath to behind the needle. And if you hold that gently with your finger that's holding the needle, to keep it in place, pull the needle through gently. Leave a loop. You need this loop. You're then going to bring your needle up through the fabric a short distance away, inside that loop, and pull it gently. You see the loop? Pull it gently. There, that's your first stitch. We're going to do this one more time and then I'll do a slow motion for you. So you wrap the thread around your needle, and if you put your index finger on top of that thread that's wrapped around the needle, you can hold it firmly in place. Now pull your needle through, still holding on to that little bit of thread there. Can you see that I'm holding it with my left index finger? Bring your needle through the fabric inside that loop and pull it through gently. Now we're going to do the slow motion version. Take your needle and bring your thread over the top of it, underneath it. Remember to use your index finger to hold that thread in place or it'll slide up and down the needle. Put your needle down through the fabric, still pressing that thread in place with your forefinger. Or you can pull that thread in your right hand a little tighter. But that index finger on that fabric really helps. So don't bring it all the way through. You need that loop. There's your loop. It's getting a bit twisty at this point, so I'll straighten it out a little. There you go, there's your loop. Bring your needle through the fabric, through the loop, and then pull. And then we're going to carry on all the way to the end. It's a little bit tricky, this stitch. I mean, I've never done it before, and I did several lines of this before I even started doing this one. But it's actually okay once you get going. You find a rhythm. And that is your cable chain stitch. Happy stitching.